Welcome to Ecom Ranks. Are you looking to add Google AdSense code to your Shopify website? Okay, you are at right video. Watch it till the end. Okay, it's a quick short tutorial. Okay, after signing into your Google Ads account, you will get a code to be integrated to your Shopify theme. Okay, I get this code, so simply I will copy this code, and for adding it into the Shopify theme, we need to click on the online store. After it gets open, you have to click on action, and then you need to click on edit code. But one thing I would say that you must duplicate the theme in order to create a theme backup while working with code. Okay, so it will be a safe hand for you. Okay, so simply click on edit code. Okay, now here on left side you will see a lot of files with code. We have to add the code within theme.liquid file. Simply click on theme.liquid file, and this is the header section. Okay, this is the header section. We have to add the code just above the head section. Okay, so I have simply added the code here. You can also add the code here. Okay, it's according to your choice where you want to add. Just add it within the head section. Okay, so I will delete this line. Okay, then click on the save button, and the code is successfully added to your Shopify theme liquid file. Okay, so it's a quick tutorial on how to add code to the head section of Shopify theme. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you have any question, I am leaving my Fiverr ID in the description. You can message me there or simply email me. Thank you.